10. Exhaling, down. 3, 4, 6, 7. Which side we did Virabhadrasana? 1. We did right leg? Okay. Take the left foot forward and fix the right foot back. Virabhadrasana 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right knee down. Find the twist. Left side. Right elbow, outer left knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ekapada hastasana. Pada hastasana. Ekapada hastasana. Right leg is up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg forward, left leg back. Right leg forward, left leg back. Stretch, stretch, stretch. 1, 2, both the legs stretch. 3, follow sir if you are beginners. 4, both the legs moving away. Use the bricks. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bend the right foot to change the leg. Left foot forward, right leg back. Drop the right knee down and walk the left foot forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your body is your wealth. No hinsa at your mat. No violence at your mat. Limitations respected. Ekam, dve, trini, chatvari, pancha, shat, sapta, ashtau, nava, dasha. Ekadasa 1, dvadasa, trayodasa, chaturdasa. Fold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come back. Sitting in Virasana. Place the brick if you require. Humming bee, breathing in. Breathing in. Last one, breathe in. Stretch the right leg forward. Extend the hand with one brick up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Go down. Breathe out. Breathe out. Keep breathing out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Twist. 1, 2. Right hand opening. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Crown Chasana. Hold. Angusta. Bend the knee. 1, 2. Lift the leg. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Twist again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bending the right knee. Bend the right knee and take your elbow out. Elbow out and catch the foot. Hold this twist. 1, 2. Fix the foot. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Inhaling, come back. Exhale, release. Switch the leg. One. Extend the brick. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Folding forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Twist. 1, 2, 3. Left hand open. 4, 5, 6, 7. Bend the leg. Lift. Catch with both the hands. Crown Chasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Twist. Right hand forward, left hand open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bend the left leg. 1, 2, 3. Get the elbow out to catch the foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those who are flexible enough, they can do this, wrapping the hand behind and take other hand to catch the hand for further depth. And those who are not able to reach, you are getting enough benefits, so don't worry about that. Last 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, come back, exhale, release. Move the bricks away. Moving the bricks away, walking forward. Catch the thighs. Catch your thighs, interlace the fingers, shift back to lift the heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hug the left knee, stretch the right leg. Extend the right hand forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both the legs forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Catch the foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Place the right foot. Fold. 1, 2, 3. Shift away. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhaling. Coming back, exhaling. Hold the palms back. Purva Uttanasana. Bend the legs. Lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhaling down. From here, hug your thighs. Shift back, lift the chest. 1, right leg up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Change the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fingertips down. Shift back. 1, 2, 3. Extend the hands forward. Namaskara. 1. Extend the hands. 2. Extend the hands. 3, 4, 5. Use index finger and middle finger down and tap the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Catch the left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place the foot folding forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Padmasana. Right foot on the left thigh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.